Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. So we can interact with our AI agent with the cool looking dashboard. So here you can see that we have a nice looking dashboard and where you can just understand the data pretty much easily, and where you can just ask the questions about the report, about the things that you want to know. So just you need to just ask your AI agent, and it will represent you in such a way that you will be getting it in no time, and you will be able to understand the data clearly, and visually it will be good to understand. So you need to just head over to thesis.dev. So thesis.dev is nothing but you can just get the AI agent plugin, and you can just get this data. I will show you. Just head over to thesis.dev. So here you can go and you can just log in and create one account. So I have already created one account. So after that you just need to go inside your n10, and inside n10 you just need to create one simple AI agent, and where you will just put up your data set, and it starts with the when a chat message received. So it will be externally this chat window will be connected outside this n10. So you just need to make it publicly chat available, and you just need to make sure that you just head over to response mode, which should be streaming. So the streaming will be applicable in order to agent can interact with the external apps. So here it's important. So after that you just need to insert one AI agent. So this AI agent will be just interacting with the data set that you have provided inside your Google Sheet or Airtable or any of the CRM that you want to use. And also make sure that you enable this streaming option in the add options. You have the enable streaming. After that you just need to make sure you connect your chat model with the thesis.dev. So you just need to go and you need to create one account, and from there you just need to grab this API key. So you just have to go inside the console where you can just create one API key. So I have already created that API key. So you can name any of the API key, and you can just grab one API key. After that you just need to go inside the AI agent, and you just need to name it as thesis. So this goes to thesis.dev. So this one is thesis.dev. You just need to connect your API key here, and make sure that your base URL should be api.thesis.dev/v1/embed. So it will interact with the AI agent. So just need to select any of the given model. So here in our case we have just selected GPT-5, and you can just simply use a simple memory to the AI agent should remember what we have interacted with this, and it will store our memory inside in this simple memory. After that we are just plug in your CRM or any of the data set which is available. So here I have just created one demo call data. Here you can just put up the details that you have. This is all together demo data that we have. After that it goes to this sheet within the document, and you need to grab the rows from the spreadsheet. You just need to make sure that you have the demo call data, which is same as the name of this spreadsheet. So you just need to make sure that you connect it, and as soon as you connect it with this this n10 inside the n10, this our AI agent is done. After that you just head over to thesis.dev. slash and n. So because if you just go, you will just open a chat window where you can just put up the questions that you may have. For example, I just asked it, I want to know the average call duration, as I have these many calls that have the duration. Some of them has 3.1, 2.95, whatever. These are the data set that I have already available. So I'm just asking it to get me the average call duration. So here's like a overall call it has given us on three different dates it has given us, and altogether average duration by rep. So minute per call, it's like our AI agent who has called several other. So you can see the duration of each member who has called. So here you can see this beautiful layout of this chart. So it's like this is the data that we have actually from the spreadsheet, and this is the data that it has created to visually appealing good and to understand with this. And you can also ask some other questions such as how many, you can just ask simply how many calls